Hey everyone! Today, Woyu is bringing you a review of the Goldshell E-KA1M mining machines. Follow me to learn more about it. The net weight is approximately 16 kilograms and gross weight about 18 kilograms. Goldshell E-KA1M supports the kHeavyHash algorithm, allowing you to mine Kaspa cryptocurrency with a hash rate of 5.5 th/s. Its power consumption is 1800 watt. Then let's install it. Plug in the power cord, connect the Ethernet cable, plug in the adapter, and switch on the power. After powering on, we can see the miner is running well. When the actual hash rate is 5.5 th/s, the power consumption is approximately 1711 W, and the noise level is around 43 decibels. Both power consumption and quiet operation are excellent. How to set up the miner for work normally? Please open the official website of Goldshell, click Support, and then click the following tabs to find our miner. Go to the mining machine settings, fill in the mining address and miner name, and then save it. After miner running for about 10 minutes, the miner settings interface will show all the data, including hash rate, income, and so on. Based on an CAS price of $0.163 and a mining difficulty of 859.95p on August 29, 2024, the daily earnings of the Goldshell E-KA1M 5.5T miner are approximately $8.63. The above calculations are for reference only. Actual earnings will be influenced by the following factors. The parameters of Goldshell E-KA1M are not excellent compared to the KAS air-cooled miners with large arithmetic power, but thanks to its superior silent performance, this miner has the highest arithmetic power among the KAS silent miners. The following is a comparison of the parameters of the three mainstream silent KAS miners. Goldshell E-KA1M 5.5T miner is a mining machine with high arithmetic power, low power consumption and silent. The miner supports KAS mining and has the largest arithmetic power among the current KAS silent miners. The miner is modeled like a computer mainframe, with a fashionable and beautiful design and good earnings, which can be adapted to mining in the family, company, and other environments. Click on the purchase link below the video to place your order directly and enter the discount code to receive a fan-exclusive coupon. By miner to Woyu. Make mining easier. For more details, please visit the official website of Woyu.